Kapips, pupunta kami ngayon sa Santo Niño de Tondo. Kami yung Hermana alit doon. Doon bininyagan yung lola ko kasi descendant siya ng Lakandula. Taga-Tondo kasi yung lola ko eh. So nakiusap yung kaibigan natin mga priest doon sa sila Jojo na kami na rin yung mag-Hermana sa Santo Niño de Tondo. Same as Nuestra Señora del Pilar sa Santa Cruz na una kayo nakasama. Privilege yun mga kapips. Ganda ng girlfriend ko, ano. Punta tayo ngayon sa Santo Niño de Tondo Church. Hermana kami ulit doon, as what I said in the house. It's an honor na nakuha tayo ulit doon, and syempre to serve the church, especially ang hari ng Tondo, which is the Santo Niño de Tondo. Santo Niño de Tondo was dinala siya dito ni Miguel Lopez de Legazpi noong 1572 ata, I'm not sure, but 500 years ago. So we're very excited to be part of this event. Lalo na kasi my grandmother was baptized in the church kasi tiga-Tondo rin sila. See you guys there and enjoy this episode. I hope you like it. I love you. Mga kapips, bago kong na-discover na blower. Ang lakas, ano to? Nightcore. Subukan nyo po. Grabe ang lakas. Ano sinabi si Jisoo?
Pero madami kang binaling Jisoo.
Mga Jisoo ako sa bahay.
Jisoo, baka naman.
Magbebenta ako ng Jisoo. Ipe-premyo ko na lang mga kapips yung Jisoo. Sana masaya kayo dun sa mga nakatanggap ng mga giveaway namin, saka yung mga wish ko na gifts. Sana natuwa kayo na natupad namin yung mga wish nyo. Kaya mga lucky winners, huwag nyo kami kakalimutan ha. Natapos na yung ating pictorial kasama si Monsignor at yung mahal nating hari ng Tondo, ang Santo Niño de Tondo. So I hope you like this episode and nakita nyo yung amin ginagawa. Besides yung businesses namin, we also do charity works and church service activities. Importante yun para sa atin. So we need to serve and help also the church. Siyempre, we need to be, kahit na religious tayo, kulang minsan yung pagsisimba. We need to give back the blessings na binigay sa atin ni God. In this way, we give back what we get. I mean, yung mga opportunities, breakthroughs, blessings, material things, everything, health, binabalik namin by doing charity work. And eto, helping the church. Actually, we already helping 3 churches. We're Hermana of Nuestra Señora del Pilar, ang Minor Basilica ng Santa Cruz, and Minor Basilica ng Santo Niño de Tondo, which will be officially raised as a minor basilica in May. Yun na po yung huling i-declare na minor basilica itong Santo Niño de Tondo for possibly this decade. Kasi dikit-dikit po yung mga minor basilica dito sa Manila till such time that Pope Leo decides to raise another church to a minor basilica status. I hope you like this episode. Kita nyo kanina nandun si Idol Michael Leyva, who designed our clothes, this beautiful gown of my wife, and this beautiful barong. Michael is a very good friend of the family.
He did this overnight.
And you know, guys, he did this overnight. Would you believe that? Magaling talaga siya. He's one of the best couturiers and designers.
Not
Not just
the best.
yeah, the best in the Philippines, and now he's one of the known designers, couturiers in the world. So guys, thank you for being with us, and later we will be in the mass ng ating mahal na Poong Nazareno, kasi tayo po ang tumulong sa flower arrangement doon. Tayo po ang Mesa Mayor ng Quiapo Church, ng church ng ating mahal na Black Nazarene. So see you later. Bye kapips. I love you.